markets have been sending positive news flow. Domestic market has been taking cues from that and moving up. Recently, we have seen a bit of a sluggishness in the market and has been range bound. After such a huge rally, little bit of consolidation at current level is probably good for the market. Having said that, in spite of the global news flow being positive, we need to be cognizant of few factors which are kind of worry signs for Indian market. The primary concern would be the oil prices, with China expected to kickstart economic activity at a new gear. With COVID restrictions coming down, the oil demand, which was not there from China for a long time, will come back with a bang, and that should put pressure on oil prices. This doesn't augur well for Indian markets or Indian economy. The second domestic factor which we have to be cognizant of is rural demand slowing down. I think every FMCG company which came out with the numbers in Q2, it was clear that there is perceptible slowdown in rural demand, and of course the inflation and consequent interest rate increase have been affecting demand for Indian corporates. We expect by Q3, Q4 inflation will start tapering off, and with that the reason for continuous hike of interest rate by the central bank may not be there. With that, I think Indian economy can move to a new gear altogether, subject to oil prices not playing spoil sport. Under these circumstances, we still believe that domestic investors would do good to pick up shares at opportune moments. They have to be selective, they have to be stock specific and sector specific. We believe that domestic focused sectors or export substitution sectors or sectors which are catering to businesses moving out of China should be looked at. So we like some of the specialty chemicals which did correct quite a bit. So one can definitely look at the stocks like Aarti Industries, Deepak Nitrite. One can also continue to look at construction and infrastructure stocks, particularly stocks like Larsen & Toubro, IRB Infrastructure can be looked at. Banks, including PSU banks, continue to remain a good place to be there. However, with prices moving up, one needs to be extremely stock specific. Overall, we continue to maintain our positive bias for the markets. Thank you.